Hi guys, welcome to another information session, and we are going to discuss today Certified Information Security Management Manager certification, and the topic itself is giving you a glimpse of the landscapes of various cybersecurity certification. Today, let's discuss about CISM. So CISM, as you know, with the terminology listed on the slide, is Certified Information Security Manager, and it is a certification for the professionals who intend to manage, design, oversee, and assess enterprise information security. Now, why CISM or why CISM? CISM certification is becoming globally recognized professional requirement in the IT security domain. The reason being we are shifted from a manual approach to an holistic information technology architecture. So even a small information which is flowing from the banks, from the schools, from the way people are running remotely, everything is on IT, information technology platform. So nowadays, remote working, remote learning, and everything is becoming IT. So which has prone more threats, and the hackers are mostly interested since it's an IT platform. So they want to like get into your system, fulfill their malicious wishes, and all these things. So now this IT security or the information security, or sometimes called the alternatively as cybersecurity, has gained a lot of importance in all the organization, whether it is school, whether it is banks, whether it is financial institutions, whether it is your professional institutions, whether it is ISACA, whether it is chartered accountancy, or whoever it may be, are more going online. And the online means that there is some threats with respect to the security. And even though there are no threats, everybody wants to safeguard their information. So now CSM has gained a lot of importance because it is one of the certification which gives you a global recognized reflection that you have a professional requirement and you are going to take care of the IT security requirements of the organization. Now, it says that this certification is best suited for security consultants, manager, IT director, CISOs, information security managers, risk officers. But let us go beyond that. Information security is important for the big professionals also, even the CEOs or the marketing people or the sales people or the HR people, because whatever they are trying to do is to safeguard the enterprise information, and they are trying to make sure that which information is being published or given to an individual, he's authorized to have that information. So this certification is good for everybody and anybody, because everybody and anybody nowadays is working on an IT platform, whether he's a student, whether he's a professional in IT, professional in marketing, professional in sales, but he is remotely in contact with non-living things like computers and servers. So it is a good approach for anybody and everybody to be part of CISM certification process also. So let's see, it was established by ISACA, okay, and this is a global accepted thing. And ISACA not only do CISM, they provide the information systems auditor, the risk in information system control. They could give something in certified in governance of enterprise IT. But since we are talking about CISM, so we will stick to CISM. So let's see. So ISACA has defined 4 CISM domains on which we examined during the exam. One is the information security governance, which is on the top level of the organization. Then about information risk management, because everything is about information. Whatever is flowing from an organization, IT system is the information. And whatever we are basically concerned is the confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of the information. So that is all it's all about. Domain 3 is about information security program, how we can develop it and manage it. And then if there is a security incident happening or identified or a near miss, somebody tried to creep into your business IT systems, how to manage those incidents. So that are the 4 domains, and the respective percentage is written for the exam. Now the official CISA exam is about 150 questions and 4 hours we have to complete it. The scoring is on the scale of 200 to 800, and the passing marks is 450. And which is important to note that it is not based on an arithmetic or a percentage average. So the whole thing is about that you need to score 450 and above. And by this, what we mean is that there will no be negative marking into that. Now, how to become a CISM certified professional? We have to first pass the exam and agree to adhere to the ISACA Code of Professional Etiquette. Then we have to agree with the CP. We agree that we have 5 years of work experience in the field of information security, 3 of which should be as an information security manager. Work experience must be gained in 3 of the 4 CISM domains, and all the information must be verified independently by the employers. Okay, and finally, we have to submit the system certification application within 5 years from the date of passing the exam. Now, let us clarify what does this mean. That I can take an exam today, and today, whatever is the date, I have 5 years from this date to apply for a CISM badge or a CIM certified, that whether I will be able to use the CISM with my name. So I can only be able to use CISM as with my name is that if I have submitted an application for the certification, okay, and ISACA is giving us 5 years to do that. After 5 years, if we fail to submit the application, we have to retake the exam to regain this CISM thing. And once we take that, once we apply for the system certification, so about that, we have to pay some maintenance fees, and we have to start submitting the continuously professional education, which we are going to discuss on the next slide. What about CISM? As we have discussed that there are more than 46,000 certification holders, and the average salary is approximately better than the other careers, and it is accredited under the ISO 17024, which is about the competency of the professionals and the personals. And people have seen 42% increase in their salary in the managerial roles, and the companies have said that they have seen 70% on the job performance improvement with this CISM. And also CSM adds credibility and confidence with respect to your interaction with the internal and external stakeholders. Sometimes if I am investing money in a bank or in a financial institute which has CISM people taking care of the security of the organization, so definitely as a shareholder, as a stakeholder, I will have more confidence in that organization. So that is the worth of CISM, and I don't have to tell something about myself. The system certification will speak for itself. I go for a migration, I don't have to do a re-qualification, re-evaluation of the certification. So it will be accepted as is because this is in global recognition. Now, once we attain the CISM certification, we have to do 2 things. Once we have to pay $45 member fees, which is for the maintenance of the CISM. And as this is as soon as we are approved to use CISM certified professional designation, and we have to report on an average 20 CP hours per year. The reason for continuously professional education requirement is that if somebody has taken the exam in 2000, so they just want to make sure that he is updated with the new technological advancements, because in 2000 there was no cloud. Now we have more of the things in cloud. So they want to know, and they are interested to see that the professionals who want to attain the CISM examination are actually putting efforts to continue educate them. So that is one of the 2 requirements to submit CPs. The other requirement is to pay the maintenance fees. And like any ISACA certification, the 1st of January they will bill you, and if you have more than 2 certification from ISACA, the cost to renew the 3rd, 4th, and 5th will become $25 for the members and $50 for the non-member. So this is about CISM. What Delphi has to offer? Okay, we will offer you a learning and knowledge hub, which will give you an understanding of CISM, and we will train you to appear for the exam through our learning management systems. And we have a very diversified, flexible learning management system. We have a flexible hours which you can utilize to get trained on the before you take the CISM exam. We provide career guidance also. We provide hands-on training. We help you in earning CPs because most of the candidates have their problem. They are not able to know how to earn their CPs because they are very much busy in their daily routine work in their offices or organization. And we don't leave you alone. We have we help you in career progression through a knowledge upgrade. from time to time, and we will make you industry ready. So we will not only help you to pass the exam, we will make you industry ready also. And these are some things which we do else from CISM, but since we are talking about CISM, we will stick to CISM. And these are the certification paths we have with Delphi. One is the knowledge base, the other one is certification based, and some is the concepts and knowledge. And these certifications are available. And if you are want to be in touch with us for CISM or any other certification which are listed on the slide, please get back to us on the listed numbers. And thank you very much for your attention. And thank you and have a nice day.